Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ma'am Rusina. And today we are representing from TikToks.
But then, two people met each other at the right time. They're both ready, and they're both hurt. The day of lasted, and when they still find a way to miss each other. Hi, I'm Darius, and this is Mira Talks. Today we're going to tell stories. Not about perfect, ideal love, but we're going to tell pure, genuine love. Our sub today is young Krishna Lara. She will be telling a story on how it feels to fall in love with the wrong person.
I was a boy, he always made me smile, but a specific circumstance happened, and that's when we realized we're not meant to be together. So if I were to be asked, love can be a power, a strength that helps us to be strong, even though that there isn't obstacles. But love can also be a weakness, a reason why people lost their power to hold on. What if we don't rush ourselves to enter a relationship? What if we prepare and just wait to enter and just build a best version of ourselves? Love can wait. So in that way, if ever that we enter a relationship, we can face the challenges together with our loved ones.
Thank you for that, Krishna Lara. That is truly an unfortunate story. We admire the way you express yourself. Thank you. Next up, we have Luna, who will be sharing her story. She is a girl who loved someone for many years.
So, there was a boy I met when I was in 7th grade. We were classmates back then. We were like other classmates, ignoring each other. Until we grouped together, we started hanging out. We became friends and close friends. Life goes on until I saw myself liking him, admiring him more than ever. After a while, I found out from a friend that he's aware that I like him from the very start. And I found out from a friend too that he liked me back then. But this guy don't have feelings to me because we're friends. After 2 years, we see each other again. We talk and he has now a girlfriend. The lesson that I learned from him is don't lose a chance and take a risk when you have a chance.
Hello everyone. So
So, I met this guy named Nico. Through a friend. We followed each other on IG and we started talking. At first, he sent me random pics and updates. But then he stopped. And I started overthinking like, what if I'm not into it? Or what if I'm just a rebound? Eventually, I asked if he loved me. And he basically said he never planned to pursue me. Things went downhill. We argued. He said hurtful things. And I cried. In the end, I learned not to give too much to myself to someone who won't do the same. And also guys, I wrote something in my paper. And if they stop showing up, don't chase. Love shouldn't feel like convincing someone to care. And also, you're not too much, they're just enough. Thank you.
Hey everyone, so let's start this story from when I was younger and naive. I had a schoolmate named Avery. We never met each other, we just knew each other by name. Then the pandemic came, our friends created a group chat so everyone could still stay in touch. And there, I finally got to know Avery. She became my best friend all throughout pandemic. And after that, she became so much important to me. So I started developing a romantic feelings for her. Then years passed, we became more than friends and less than lovers. Until Valentine's Day of 2024, she asked me if I'm ready. And who am I to say no? And months passed. Yes, we had arguments, but that didn't stop us from loving each other genuinely. Rather, that helped us understand each other. And now, I'm here sitting in front of you, telling my story about my first love. I'm glad I never stopped pursuing her, and I never lost hope for something so important to me. And lastly, and most importantly, build relationships with trust, honesty, and faithfulness. That's a key for love to last a lifetime. Thank you.
Story. Let's be real. It all affected us in different ways. Like for example, personally, it affected me that I learned that in love we do go through hardships, but we also learn. We learn to improve ourselves and be better for the next person who will truly love us for ourselves. Yes. And
Guys, I have something to tell. This is serious. Be mature enough. Stop giving mixed signals if you're not sure you will be on to your past.
Based from our experience, I think that's enough for us to realize our self-worth and our self-importance. Because we should find a man that knows our worth, but